So how is it going, guys, and welcome to Mood. Welcome to the series of the R107, and today we're gonna fix and tackle a very common issue that all these classic Benz they do have. Yes, we're talking about the famous plastic gears of the odometer. Let's get started. So the first step is removing the steering wheel pad by simply lifting it off the clips. So to remove this screw, use a 10mm Allen wrench with a 6-inch extension on the breaker bar, and preferable get some extra hands. And she's loose. Once the screw is out, mark the steering wheel connection to ensure proper reassembly, and it's out. Before any further step, disconnect the battery. To remove the instrumental, I just got this tool from Amazon. I'll share the link in the description. We need to insert both sides of the cluster with the tools, rotate them 90 degrees and pull the instrument cluster forward. There are several cables attached, so be gentle. Pull them one by one. And we got our cluster out. Now to remove the Speedo, we need to unclip these 3 plastic guides and remove those 4 6mm screws. Be gentle, as this is quite delicate. To get access to the gears, we need to remove this white rear cover. The last thing to remove is this plastic cover which protects the gears. And here we go, we have access to our fluffy and destroyed old plastic gears. Gently remove the gears and be aware that they might just break in the process. Once the plastic ones are out, we need to remove the one attached to the electric motor, and this is probably the most difficult part of the job. It's quite stuck and we don't want to break anything while pulling it out, so grab some patience and do it slowly. Out with the old! Now it's time to buy the replacements. And out of the 3 gears, there is one that will vary the amount of teeth depending on the model of the car. One way is just counting how many teeth the internal gear has, and another easier way is just checking which number is written on the 4th gear. Depending on that, you will be able to assess which is the right one to buy. Good thing about these gears is that they will only fit in one direction, so install one at a time and just check if the odometer is moving. By the end of the process, you will have a fully operating gear setup. Plastic covers back in place, and just before installing the Speedo in the cluster is a great opportunity to clean all of them. Removing them is very straightforward. Just remove the screws that are holding the circuits and pull them up. Screen cleaner we had at home. And look at this cluster, man, it looks awesome. Now it's time to put it back and see if it works. Connect the cluster and position it in place, but do not push yet. Reconnect the battery. Let's start the engine and let's check if all the indicators are actually working. Once that's checked, push the cluster in, connect the steering wheel, and let's put that screw back in place. Using your chest, both hands, and a torque wrench, adjust it to 60 foot-pound torque. Let's put the steering wheel pad back in place and let's take it for a ride. Wait, it's moving? And it is officially moving! Yes! Yes! Look at this! Yes! Guys, if I could do it, Anyone can do it. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you and have a great day.